Hi everyone, today we will talk about that problem you have on your TikTok app. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here like you say, and you just go down, you click here on apps, and you come here to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for TikTok app here, and this is window. You just keep going down here, and we find the TikTok here. We will click here on TikTok, and you can search for TikTok, and you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to successful with you, and you just follow this is way, and it's going to work with you. That's all now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.